Welcome back to Add Art. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a winter robin and teach you some facts about them. Now, before I do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art. When you do, you'll be the first to know when I've released a new video, like these. Okay, let's get bobbing and draw this robin. We'll start with the robin's eye, put another one alongside. Put the pupils looking up, and a beak. We'll draw a line through the middle and up for a smile. We'll just start filling in the front here. Now, robins are grey and brown in colour, with a reddy orange tummy, which is how they got the name Robin Redbreast. Put its wing in here. Some individual feathers. Finish its body here. Have the long tail coming out the back. Shorter one just underneath there. We'll have it sat on a branch. So the legs come out and back. With its feet clinging on. Just start at the head and put this red breast in. And although adult males and females look alike, young robins don't actually have a red breast. They're spotted with golden brown. Now we'll bring the branch in. Stop just there and bring a little branch sticking up here. And this is going to be a holly bush. It's a real wintry scene. I've seen quite a few robins in the garden recently. All the way across. And they can actually be found in woodlands, farmlands and urban areas. So all of these branches of the bush sticking up. All the way down. Let's put some berries in there. Continue that all the way to the end here. Bring that across the bottom. Now, robins might be associated with winter, but they don't actually migrate. They stay in the same area all year round. And that's because although they might look cute, robins are actually very territorial and they're quick to chase away intruders. Let's put some leaves on this holly bush. Kind of bring that in and then out. Out. And then these kind of curved sections to make the spikes. And the spikes on a holly bush are actually to deter animals from eating it. And apparently a holly plant is either male or female. And as this one has berries, it's the female plant. Put another leaf on here. And the red berries are designed to attract birds and they're called droops. Put this other leaf in and out to create the spikes. Some detail on the leaf there, some more berries. Rather than drawing the whole bush, we'll just put some leaves and berries in the background here, and it'll give the impression of the bush. We'll just start filling this in with more leaves here. Now, Romans associated holly with Saturn, the god of agriculture and harvest, and they used to deck their halls with its boughs during the winter solace festival. And obviously it's now used in traditional Christmas decorations like door wreaths, and you'll often see them hung up around Christmas time. And although we've got our robins sat on a holly bush here, if you look up, you often see them singing away next to a streetlight at night. And as this is a winter scene, let's start putting in some snow. Just draw these circles, some bigger ones in the foreground and smaller ones in the background. And there we have it, a winter robin sat happily in a festive holly bush as snow starts to fall all around. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with me today. Now, before I go, just a quick reminder to check out all my other tutorials like these on my Add Art channel. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. Also, if you've enjoyed drawing along with me today, do give this video a thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who'd also love Add Art, then please share the channel with them. But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.